your thing, guys. Do your thing.
Go ahead and lean up against the car.
Do your thing.
I'm going to lean up against the car.
Moorhead and what did he say?
What's your name? I would tell you.
Stanford.
Turn your head. Lean up against the car.
Moorhead and Stanford. And what's your name?
Sergeant Fuentes. You'll get a copy of the report, bud.
Yeah, whatever. You guys are thugs.
So this was going to end with a trespass warning because your brother didn't want to do anything.
You're all thugs.
So.
You're thugs. You're nothing but thugs. You think you're gangster, but you ain't shit. You little pussy-ass bitches.
You got any other weapons on you?
Moorhead, I will fucking hunt you. I will find you.
So is that a threat?
That's a smart decision to be saying right now.
Moorhead, Fuentes, I will remember you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for this. This is great. Having a great fucking Sunday. Thank you, guys. My uncle is in hospice care, and that's why
You're the one making the decisions.
Yeah, that's
us.
yeah, absolutely, yeah. Yeah, I drove across from Tampa to see my uncle in hospice care, and you know what? Do your job, guys. Do your job. Yeah, do your job. Scumbags.
So that's what we're doing right now.
Fucking scumbags.
Might not be the way you like it to be done, but this is what we're doing.
I know that you have leeway to do whatever you want. I've been so awful and terrible towards you.
So you got any drugs, guns,
Oh,
weapons,
yeah.
anything hidden anywhere I can't find?
Yeah, I got tons of drugs.
Well,
and
if you have
tons
them on
of
you when you get
weapons.
to the jail,
And fucking,
it's going to be an extra.
you want to reach into my ass and find them? Moorhead?
Are you saying that's where they are?
Little bitch.
Is that where they are? Is that where you're hiding
That's where they are, yeah.
Okay, we'll let the jail know.
Stuff in there, yeah.
Right.
I got tons of fucking
Go ahead and have a
drugs
seat. Watch it
in my
inside.
ass, Moorhead.
Inside.
Yeah.
We'll advise the jail.
Oh, they're right up in there, Moorhead. You little fucking faggot. You fucking faggot! Faggot! Moorhead! Can't even grow a beard. What a little pussy little bitch. Can't even grow a beard. Can't even grow any facial hair on his face because he's a pussy little bitch. No beard, no mustache, no nothing.
In there. I just need to know if you're all right with the car going over there, if you need me to have it towed somewhere.
Tell my little brother to take it.
All right with that?
You know what? Fuck you, you fucking bastard, Stanford. Yeah, tow it, you fucking pussy. Yeah, go ahead, you fucking bitch. Yeah, fuck you. I'll fucking kill you.
Hey, Devin, real quick.
I'm chill. What's up?
So, we're going to have to tow your car.
Please don't.
Well, you just said you wanted to tow. Hey, we're not going to tow it. We're just going to move it. When you get out, man, don't just come here because you're trespassed. We'll go right back to jail. Okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I don't want you to get jammed up again.
Yes, sir.
So just make sure you either call us before you go there or have someone else pick it up.
I appreciate you, Officer Fuentes.
Okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm going to break your fucking...
Mr. Devin, you got enough air back there?
I think I'm doing okay.
So what happened over here is done and over with.
I'm upset, man. I understand. This is not my idea of a day off. I'm gonna get you, Moorhead. I'm gonna fucking get you, Moorhead. Fuentes, are you from Flagler County?
I am not. My name's Deputy Stanford.
Stanford, excuse me. Are you from Flagler County, Deputy Stanford? No. Where you from, brother?
From Ohio.
Ohio. All right. I've never been to Ohio. I've never been to the Midwest. But I'm not a bad person. I'm a good person. I didn't think that...
Everybody's human. Everybody has emotions.
You said that. Yeah.
Like I said, what happened over there is done and over with. It's in the past now. You don't seem like you're the right state.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm probably not in the right state of mind. I'm probably not in the right state of mind. Yeah, not in the right state of mind today, baby. Not in a right state of mind. I'm sorry, officer, but I'm feeling a little bit crazy. I'm feeling a little bit crazy. I'm feeling a little bit crazy. I'm feeling crazy. No.
What makes you feel crazy?
No, I just feel a little crazy. Officer.
Are you having thoughts of hurting yourself?
No. No, I just had to get that out. Ah! 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 Ah!
How'd you get like that, man? Leg up, Devin. Like that way. I'm gonna sit you up. Hold in there for just. I'll loosen the cuffs up for you, but you gotta wait on a second. Alright. Devin, I need you to stand up.
Are you restrained?
Well, you're already restrained in handcuffs, so I need you to step out of the car for me.
Why do you fucking turn the cop car so hard? You threw me against the fucking window at the door.
Your rear's on. Yeah. So Devin, I'll be able to watch the camera footage to see what happened coming down the road, bud.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah,
You are being recorded.
scared. Yeah, whatever.
I want you to be aware of that.
Yeah, of course.
Whatever you're claiming.
Well, I haven't done anything wrong, motherfuckers. You fucking handcuff me and throw me in the back of this vehicle and then fucking turn hard and slam me against the wall. You know what? You want to beat me up? Go right ahead, guys. Have fun. Beat the fuck out of me. Go ahead. Beat me up, motherfuckers. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Fucking beat me up.
No one's trying to beat you up.
Yeah. Fucking beat me up, you
Sit up.
fucking
Sit up.
motherfuckers.
Sit up. Put your feet down.
I'm trying, but you got me fucking wrapped up in shit. Scumbags, fucking dirtbags, Stanford. I'm gonna find you, motherfucker. I'm gonna find you. What's up, Fuentes?
Deputy Stanford.
Stanford, excuse me.
Are you all right? As you can be.
I'm very upset, Deputy Stanford. I'm very upset.
You know that big burning detergent jug is
can't act out like that.
85% water. I thought I was getting a better deal because it's so big.
You have not even begun to witness me acting out.
Pass me the
Just try and breathe in your nose and out your mouth.
I'm a waiter. I work at a restaurant, and I'm a damn good waiter too.
You gotta be good at what you do.
You got to be cool-headed to be a good waiter. Yeah. I love living in Tampa, man. I've been there since 2018, and through the pandemic and everything, like, we took a hit with the restaurant industry, of course, but I love Tampa, man. Tampa is really cool. I take the streetcar to work almost every day. I just got I just bought an e-scooter, so I took my brand new e-scooter to work.
Is it an actual scooter?
A scooter, yeah, like it's dope because it has a little seat. It's got a seat on it, so you don't have to stand up. You know what I mean? So it's got a little seat. Took my e-scooter to work. I thought today was gonna be a great day. Just turned 21. Let him go to Las Vegas. I got a snap. From my little brother. Las Vegas, baby. Like, holy shit. Even I haven't been to Las Vegas. Ah!